Hi everyone, we're the GSBS Outreach Group, and we're excited to tell you a little bit about what we do. My name is Amanda, and I'm the president.
Hi everyone, my name is Melissa, and I'm the Vice President of Outreach.
Hi, I'm Shannon, and I'm the Treasurer of Outreach.
Hi, I'm Erica, and I'm the Secretary.
Hi, I'm Mira, and I'm the Media Relations Officer.
GSBS Outreach was established here at GSBS in 1988. Our mission is to increase understanding, awareness, and interest of science in our community. We do this through hosting events and partnering with local organizations to increase excitement about science through career panels and hands-on activities.
We not only organize our own events, but we also collaborate with a lot of schools. We go to their community tech festivals, their science festivals, their STEM night, and we present or we demonstrate our scientific experiments, such as we do DNA extraction, we do using strawberries, we make DNA bracelets for genetics and epigenetics.
And one of the other events that we partner with the Health Museum with is DNA Day. One of my favorite parts is seeing how curious and excited kids get. And this little girl was doing the strawberry DNA extraction, and she got so excited when she pulled the DNA up. She literally looked at her mom and just yelled, "DNA, look at it!" and then hugged her mom so tightly. It was very cute.
As a community outreach officer, Science Night is definitely one of my favorite events. Of course, there's the really exciting part where you get to see the kids enjoy different scientific experiments and really spark their curiosity, as well as with parents. They seem to have a really good time at the event. But one of my favorite parts was also working with the rest of the officers before the event, behind the scenes, where we're planning, choosing the theme of the event and just how we're going to organize everything. Is just a lot of fun working together.
As part of the outreach group, we're a really collaborative and I think fun group to be a part of. We work really well together no matter what role we have, whether that's budgeting finances or working to promote our events via social media or just general recruiting volunteers. And we really can't do this without our volunteers. We're so grateful for all the graduate students and faculty who come and participate in our various events throughout the year.
Community outreach is really about
Bringing people together,
Learning and discovery,
Connecting communities.
In the larger Houston area and within the graduate school.